Hello guys, today we are reacting to this YouTuber Blocky Guard. So, what is this? Fake subscriber, will? Okay, I can't read this. Read aloud.
Fake subscriber will punished from YouTube. Real subscriber.
Oh no, I just closed it.
Skip navigation.
Shy shit. Wait, I'll just do it again. Yeah,
Fake
that's
subscriber will
that's
punished
all.
from YouTube. Real subscriber will watch all video forever but in YouTube. Warning, if you say bad word when you type in comment then I delete. Help me reach 400 subscribers so I open my Roblox games. The Roblox game name Stuck at Campsite game Stuck at Campsite is closed. Our channel is update.
Okay.
What's new? Old video will disappear.
Old video will disappear. Are you scared for old video? Anyways. Oh, nice motorcycle. Okay. Will you excuse me? Are you Arabic? That means you're a terrorist. Anyways, me in Villa. What's Villa? Who is Villa? Three ways can beat enemy. Yeah, I wanna see a tutorial to beat enemy. Kamikaze, kamikaze, kamikaze. You must be nice try. Do you have any grammar? If you haven't Robux, ask to your parent. Okay, I'll give you 1 point, but yes. Pearl Harbor. Bro's literally a kamikaze terrorist. You're a kamikaze terrorist. Like, bro, what is this? Who even needs Robux? You can literally be easily bankrupt. Okay, guys, you can just get Robux from your games by just creating a nice game, like gameplay, like as I was saying, like a nice game with cool scripts like sword battles. If third you hold up. Good luck. What do you mean good luck? Kill yourself. Alright, that Japanese player doesn't even know anything. They tried to kamikaze, but it failed. He failed to kamikaze. Anyways. By the way, is that goofy blocky plane is that plane aerodynamic or something? I bet not. Okay. Oh, he has a channel. That's my enemy right there. You know what? You can still try. Like, you can still try. You can still try to defeat it. Did you just launch a missile? You just launched a missile. Get out. Yeah. Bro is a US kamikaze. Little bro is a US kamikaze. Bro ended the recording. Alright. Okay. That wasn't 3 ways. I don't see the CapCut editing from podcast. Do you mean the Hack to a podcast? Nothing bad. You just pasted a dot. Well, updated soon. Does it chime? I wanna Rose Landing and Titan TV map. You know what? Your grammar sounds a bit CCTV. Roblox playing crazy bus showcase. Build anything, but everyone hates me. But I want let God finish that problem. Okay, you're Arabic. Airbus A380. Lol. Kid Plastic. What? For no reason. He just yeah, I think that yeah, he just does not want to get interrupted. If you say I don't care, I will I see I don't care, bro. Now this kid blacklist me, I say I don't care. No, you're lying. He just doesn't want to be interrupted. How can you not? Your reason. Your reason. Yeah, you can see just the description harassment. I don't know. Stupid reason. Yeah. He just doesn't want to. Oh my god, how can't you understand? Oh. Okay, that's just